Okay, we're at the beginning of section 17. Go down the dead end 17 first. Like it's nice and quiet back in here. Mr. Foot lives back there. Yeah, pretty quiet in section 17. Pretty quiet. Oh, there's a Cubs fan. Way cool. Richard. Okay, stop at the stop sign and make a right. Okay, we're gonna go down by the section 17 ball diamond. You might notice that the comfort station's straight ahead. Well, if you want to play some baseball, go on here to the ball diamond. Softball. Howdy. The ball diamond, the basketball court, and the swing set. Section 17 is a pretty big section. In the pines, man, I swear it's 10 degrees cooler right here. It's nice. Definitely nice and quiet back here. Hi Dave. Hi Cindy. Two streets left. You turn left for section 17. My grandpa used to own this lot over here years and eons ago. 17138. Ancient history. Oh, I forgot. We do have one cul-de-sac back here in 17. Let's go check it out. It's nice and quiet here too. Back out on the main drag, and we'll go down the one street we missed in section 17. Then we'll have the entire section filmed right by the Moraine Valley Trail. I always thought 17 was one of the quieter sections. Back to my grandpa's old lot. So that will conclude our tour of section 17 today. Not sure what section I'll do next, but we'll figure that out.